How to fix Streamlabs recording error. Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. After that, you can go to the Play Store application and search for Streamlabs application so that you can make sure that it is an updated version of the application on your device. So as you can see, we have the updated version of the application on the device. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on the Streamlabs application, then tap on App Info. After tapping on App Info, it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on that, then tap on OK. After that, tap on App Permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the permissions that are required for this application to operate properly. After doing that, you'll just go and look for the Streamlabs application and the problem might be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.